Hey guys, so for today's video, we are gonna do a braided updo. You guys always ask for braided updos, so that's what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna take it step by step, and yeah, it's gonna be super cute. This one is very cranky, that's why he's filming the intro with me today, but let's go ahead and get started. So I'm super excited for this updo. So what you wanna do is just section off your hair. So we're gonna do about 3 inches and just kinda take it back. I'm just using my nail and kind of doing it at an angle. So we have hair left in the front and the back, and then do it on the other side. We're just gonna take that section, twist it around our finger to give us some volume, bobby pin it into place in the back of our head. Now we just wanna divide our hair into 3 sections. And with that middle section, you're just gonna put it in a ponytail, and then you can take those bobby pins out. This was just to kind of add volume. And then you want to take that ponytail and then just divide it into 3 sections. So a regular braid, do it all the way down. Once you get to the bottom, then you want to pancake it. Well, I lied. You want to tie a clear elastic, then pancake it. So just fluff it out like I'm doing here. Do it on both sides. And then once you're finished pancaking it, you want to take that and we're going to do a bun. So we're just going to wrap it around itself, and we want to make sure the braid is flat against our head. So once you do that, just bobby pin it all the way around to form a bun. Once you get to your ends, you can just kind of tuck that underneath the bun and bobby pin it. So your bun should look like mine. Now we're gonna do a lace braid. So divide your hair into 3 sections. You're gonna take that front section, cross it over the middle section, back section, cross it over the middle section. So regular 3-strand braid. Now with the lace braid, you add in hair to your front strand. So we're gonna take a section of hair right next to our front strand. We're gonna add it into that front strand. And then we're gonna take that combined strand and then cross it over the middle strand. And with the back strand, we're not doing anything with it. We're just crossing it over the middle. Now repeat. So you take that front section, you're gonna add in a strand of hair right next to it. Make sure it's about the same size. Once you combine them, then you're just crossing them over that middle section. So slow-mo so you guys can see it. Just cross it over that middle section. Take that back strand, cross it over the middle strand. We're not doing anything with it. Take that front section, you're gonna add in a section of hair right next to it, combine them, cross them over the middle section. Don't do anything with the back strand, just cross it over the middle. Take the front section, you're just gonna add a section of hair right next to it, combine them, cross them over that middle section, and then just take the back strand, cross it over the middle strand. We're not adding in any hair. So again, take that front section, add in a section of hair right next to it that's the same size, combine them, cross them over that middle section, take the back section, cross it over the middle. So one more time, take that front section, hold on to it, take a section of hair right next to it, and you're just going to combine them and cross them both over that middle strand, take the back strand, cross it over the middle. You don't add any hair into it. And you just do this all the way down. So we do have quite a bit of hair on this side, and we're doing it all the way down. We're adding in every single bit of hair. So as you're going down and you're adding in hair, just make sure you're kind of angling the braid towards the back of your head. That way you don't get any bumps or anything. But we do just keep doing this all the way down. A lace braid is super simple because you're just adding in hair to that front strand. It's not too complicated once you get the hang of it. And you don't really start to see the braid form until you get a couple stitches in. But I love this braid. I love the way it looks. I do wish I would have left some hair out in front, just you can see my arm was hurting here. But I love wispy hair and left out in front. I didn't do that with this one. I wish I would have. So just a little tip if you want some hair hanging out in front. Another tip, if you want your braids to be even on each side of your head, part your hair down the middle. You can see this side's gonna be a little bit bigger of a braid than my other side because I part my hair on this side, I have more hair on this side. So just a little FYI. Now we are going to pancake our braid. This is important. So start at the bottom, work your way up, and you're just pinching and pulling the outside of your braid. And you're gonna have to go up and down and do this a couple times because as you can see when you're pulling up, it's kind of shrinking the bottom that you just pancaked. So you just kind of have to keep going up and down and just pancaking until all of it is even and all of it looks good and fluffy. And people ask me why it's called pancaking. I don't know. Maybe because pancakes are fluffy and the braid's fluffy. That's my guess, but I didn't create the term, so I just go with it. But yeah, tie it off with a clear elastic, and then we are gonna pancake the top of our head too. So again, pinching and pulling. You wanna do this on both sides. Right now I'm just doing it at the top, but towards the end of the video, you'll see where I kind of pull out the front part of that braid too. Now we're gonna take that and we're just gonna drape it across that bun that we already have, and we're gonna start bobby pinning it around that bun. So just go around, bobby pin it. If you have ends hanging out like I do, wrap them around your finger and tuck it up underneath, and then bobby pin it so you can't see it and it's out of the way. So this part is important. We want our lace braid to lay flat against our head. It kind of sticks up if you don't do this. So you want to just take bobby pins, insert them directly into your French braid, your lace French braid. And now just do a lace French braid on the other side. If you didn't want to do this, you could do a twist, you could do a regular braid, you could do whatever you wanted to. But I'm just doing another lace French braid, pancaking it, and then just taking that and draping it across the bun as well, bobby pinning it. And I'm actually going to use a topsy tail tool here, so I'm just sticking it into the opposite side of my updo and just pulling it through. You don't have to do this part. You could always just continue wrapping it around, but I was extra here. So again, I'm just kind of wrapping it around, bobby pinning it into place. So now I'm just bobby pinning this to my head, making sure it's flat, and pulling out some hair that I wish I would have pulled out in the beginning. And now when I said we would pancake the front, here we are pancaking that front, those like front pieces, just to kind of make them not so tight against the head. We want this to kind of be a little bit looser of an updo. And I'm just gonna pinch and pull the back for some texture, for some volume, make sure it's not flat up against my head. When I think of updos, I think of lots of volume and texture. And then the little bit of hair that I could pull out, I'm just gonna take a 1-inch curling iron, wrap it around, and just kind of make it loose and wispy. And here's what it looks like. So here's the front, and here's the side. I'm going to show you the back of it. I am obsessed with this. I think it looks so darn cute. This is great for fall, for prom, for homecoming, weddings, bridesmaid styles, you name it. I think it is adorable, and I hope you guys like it too. So that is it. That's the video. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you'll give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm excited for next week's video because, little sneak peek, I bought a Dyson and I can't wait to try it. I have not opened it yet. Let me just show you real quick what it looks like. Also, this is real life. This is what I look like filming, so it's so embarrassing, but I thought you guys might appreciate that. It's this one. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to be testing it out all week, so I'm going to give you a very thorough review. I'm going to use it on wet hair, dry hair. We're going to get down to the bottom to see if this thing is worth the money. But anyways, that'll be next week's video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.